unless I happen to invite you to tea.
But these little scones are so cute.
Get away from there.
What'd I say, Lady Sassafras? Would you like some creme fraiche with your darling little pastries? Ugh.
You just got your German drool all at my plastic scone, you freako.
Ken, you ever been to a shrink?
Since I was 3. Let's go wash the dishes now. You missed a spot.
Isn't doing the dishes what the maid is supposed to be for?
She doesn't know how to drive without leaving spots.
And you don't know how to dry without destroying the environment. For every single roll of paper towels that you waste, a tree in the rainforest dies.
And I'm going to die from botulism from the germs on that cookie towel, you free-loving hippie.
At least I don't prefer tofu to normal hamburgers, my little friend.
And I'm not the one who's going to get mad cow disease and go nuts.
Oh, really? At least I'm not the one holding the gunky German-infested towel now.
Give me that plate.
You want it? Sorry, you might infect it.
Give me the plate.
You want it? How bad do you want it?
Get a broom.
You get a freaking broom.
When you work for me, you leave when I say you leave.
For your information, I do not work for you. I'm employed by your mother.
Take a look around. Do you see her anywhere? News flash. You're not gonna. In the meantime, you're working for me.
Oh, is that so?
Uh-huh.
Well, news flash, Mussolini. I quit.